Ever wondered how illegal sand mining business is rapidly rising in the districts despite being watched by the Forest Department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council? That's because somewhere in the cycle of illegal sand business chains, forest officials and employees of Forest Department are involved either directly or indirectly in the system. Look at the visual. An employee of Forest Department taking bribe from the sand suppliers. In this visual, the lady accepting bribe was identified as Rs.25000 Rongpi, Forest Beat Officer of Langmili. It was reported that on midnight 13th of September, a fully loaded truck was on its way to deliver sand to its destined location. But Forest Department managed to intercept the truck as it was carrying sand illegally with incomplete documents. But it was later discovered that the seizure was done to deceive the sand suppliers. Rather than seizing the contraband as per the law, the sand suppliers were asked to pay an amount of Rs. 25,000 as a penalty. It was informed that Bikram Rongpi, ACF demanded Rs. 25,000 as a penalty for carrying illegal sand and also ordered to unload the sands at his residence.
Poisa suring ko rapo. Poisa bang ACF si na hang lo. Bikram Rongpi.
It was also informed that Bikram Rongpi built his house with extortion from various sand suppliers. All the expensive and luxury cars are also owned by the employees of Forest Department. If the legal documents for sand mining business is scrutinized rigorously, many sand suppliers could be found without proper documents. Sand supplier Leon Ingleng, Sukur and Anthony would also make their spot on the list.
Lake akai ta bang long sang ti ke hang thap pen lok sila hem chikim ke lage. Sang ti hang pen lok sila hem chiki. Ako lahai forest dumbang isi lampu damlo bote hadi. Gari anta dami anta la tum si wek lablo. Ni tum de le kagos ke chok chedu kali.
Recently, 3 of Anthony's truck fully loaded with sand was seized by the Forest Department, but it was later released after making an agreement of paying Rs. 40,000 in exchange of 1 truck with the Forest Department.
Anduni tum han bon la tum bang ke. Tum han bang ke pachu joram long lok lo. Kum thom ne lo 40,000 pe luplot lo. Ni tum bang ke 40,000 kali la poisa pideta agari ta khali gari.
It was informed that the money asked by Bikram Rongpi was sent through Rs.25000 Rongpi, Forest Beat Officer of Langmili.
Suring ko rapo. Laso poisa nang ke en bang ke Rs.25000. Rs.25000 ke da Langmili lo in charge lo. Business bio. Rs.25000 Rongpi. Sangti ke thok dam bang ke la ke ACF.
Rs.25000 Rongpi, Forest Beat Officer of Langmili, had fallen in several controversies related to bribery from the illicit coal and timber suppliers, and this time around, she was caught red-handed while taking bribe from illicit sand suppliers. After all the incident being surfaced in the public domain, would the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council remain silent on the illegitimate practice of Bikram Rongpi, ACF, and Rs.25000 Rongpi, Forest Beat Officer of Langmili, and let go, or he would take stern action against them and whoever is involved in the system? Time would tell us. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.